Are you looking for a powerful gaming PC, but don't want a bulky desktop taking over your entire setup? Well, Mini PCs have seriously evolved, and in 2026, they're more powerful, compact, and efficient than ever before. In today's video, I'm counting down the top 5 best gaming Mini PCs ranked from number 1 to number 5, based on performance, value, features, and real-world gaming experience. Whether you're into esports titles, casual gaming, or even light AAA gaming, there's something here for you. Make sure to watch till the end, because the number 1 pick might surprise you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC. We have the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC, and this thing is an absolute beast for its size. It's powered by the Intel Core i5-14450HX, featuring 10 cores and 16 threads, with boost speeds up to 4.8 GHz. You also get a massive 32 GB of RAM and a super-fast 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Now, when it comes to performance, this Mini PC handles everything, from multitasking to gaming to content creation. For gaming, while it doesn't have a dedicated GPU, the raw CPU power allows you to run Valorant or CS2, Fortnite on high settings, GTA 5 and Elden Ring on low to medium settings, smooth performance even while streaming or multitasking. It also stays relatively stable thanks to improved cooling compared to older Mini PCs. Pros: extremely powerful processor, 32 GB RAM equals future-proof, blazing fast storage, excellent multitasking and productivity. Cons: higher price point, still limited by integrated graphics. If you want the most powerful Mini PC on this list that can handle both gaming and heavy workloads, this is the clear winner. Number 2. KAMRUI E3B Mini PC. We have the KAMRUI E3B Mini PC, which offers one of the best balances between price and performance. It features the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, plus support for triple 4K displays, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6.2, and Bluetooth 5.2. This is where things get really interesting for gamers on a budget. The Ryzen 5 7430U delivers solid integrated graphics performance, making it ideal for esports titles on high settings, AAA games on low to medium settings, smooth everyday multitasking. Thermals are also well managed, meaning you won't see major performance drops during longer sessions. Pros: excellent value for money, smooth gaming performance, good thermal optimization, modern connectivity. Cons: no dedicated GPU. Storage may fill up quickly. For most people, this is the sweet spot Mini PC. Great performance without breaking the bank. Number 3. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1. We have the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1, another strong mid-range contender. It runs on the same Ryzen 5 7430U with 6 cores and 12 threads, along with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD. Performance here is very similar to the number 2 pick, but slightly less optimized in terms of cooling and sustained performance. Still, you can expect smooth gameplay in Apex Legends, GTA 5, Rocket League, decent performance in light AAA titles, solid everyday use for work and entertainment. Pros: reliable performance, good for multitasking, decent gaming capability. Cons: slightly behind number 2 in efficiency, not ideal for heavy gaming. A great mid-range alternative if you find it at a better price than the KAMRUI E3B. Number 4. ACEMAGICIAN K1 Mini PC. We have the ACEMAGICIAN K1 Mini PC, which focuses more on storage and everyday usability. Powered by the Ryzen 4300U with 16 GB of RAM and a large 1 TB SSD, plus triple 4K display support. This is not a high-performance gaming machine, but it's still capable for light gaming, older AAA titles, daily tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work. The biggest advantage here is the 1 terabyte storage, which is perfect if you install lots of games or media. Pros: large storage capacity, stable everyday performance, good for multitasking. Cons: older CPU, limited gaming capability. Best for users who want more storage in casual gaming rather than high performance. Number 5. KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC. We have the KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC, which is the most budget-friendly option on this list. It comes with Ryzen 4300U, 16 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, along with triple display support. This mini PC is ideal for beginners or casual users. Smooth performance in Valorant, Minecraft, and Fortnite on medium settings. Good performance for everyday tasks, but don't expect it to handle heavy AAA games. Pros: very affordable, compact and efficient, good for basic gaming. Cons: limited storage, entry-level performance. A great entry-level gaming mini PC for beginners on a tight budget. So that was our list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026, ranked from best to budget. If you want maximum performance, go with the KAMRUI Hyper H2. If you want the best value, KAMRUI E3B is the sweet spot. And if you're on a budget, the Pinova P1 gets the job done. All product links are in the description below if you want to check current prices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.